Welcome back to Dr. Najam Lectures. In this video, we will talk about the Hippocrates cap. Hippocrates cap is a type of the bandage which is being imposed by the two-headed bandage, like this. This is the first head of the bandage. This is the second head of the bandage. This is the tail of these two bandages. Also, we call this the joint tail of the two-headed bandage. For the Hippocrates, just start from that side and comes toward the posterior side of the head. And here, just give the left-handed bandage to the right hand, right-handed bandage to the left hand. This will go in a circle and this will cover the middle portion of the head, and this will encircle this bandage. And again, this will cover the lateral portion of the head, will be encircled. And again, this will cover the second lateral portion of the head, and this will be encircled like this. In the end, just make a notch here. So this is a complete presentation about the Hippocrates cap. For the Hippocrates cap, you need a two-headed bandage. It starts from that side. One will be in circle, one will cover the upper portion of the head. In the end, just make a notch here. Thank you.